Hello traders and welcome to Financia.com. Today, we will discuss how to analyze Tradingview charts. Let's begin by defining this charting tool. The Tradingview chart is a straightforward tool that can help traders to check all share prices live daily. This financial instrument includes stocks, cryptocurrencies trading, currencies, indices, futures, and bonds. In fact, he represents a good choice for technical analysis. Not only for his comprehensive and readable visual interface but also for his updated information and multifunction instruments. However, this powerful charting tool comes with a lot of features that can help traders to analyze and track different markets efficiently. Moving to how to analyze charts using Tradingview. Tradingview charts can be analyzed using various tools. First, choose a trading instrument on Tradingview charts. To choose the financial instrument you're interested in, start by loading it from the symbol search. This can be done by accessing the upper left corner of the Tradingview platform. Once there, click on the currently loaded instrument, which will bring up a pop-up containing the same pair from different brokers on Tradingview. Then, you can choose your preferred instrument from the list or search for it manually. If you have open trades, you can quickly load their chart by simply clicking on them. Second, choose the time frame and the chart type. In the beginning, choose a time frame that suits your trading strategy. Tradingview offers a range of time frames, from seconds to months. Then, pick up your chart type preference. To clarify, Tradingview offers several chart types, such as candlestick, line, and bar charts. Finally, choose the chart type that best suits your technical analysis. Third, identify the trend direction and patterns. Look for patterns on the trading chart to identify the trend. This can be done using multiple tools, such as moving averages, candlestick chart patterns, trend lines, or any other technical indicators, in order to provide clues about future price movements. Use Tradingview technical indicators. Tradingview offers a range of technical indicators, such as RVI, MACD, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. Use these valuable indicators to confirm your analysis. Monitor trading news and events. Hold an eye on trading news and events that could impact the financial market, such as economic reports that highly influence the Forex market. Also, earnings releases highly affect stocks and indexes. Overall, the key to analyzing Tradingview charts is to use a combination of technical analysis tools, such as indicators, and fundamental analysis tools, such as news and events, to make informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching this Tradingview chart tutorial.